ready to rock. All right, everybody ready? Mic check. Hello, everybody. My name is Reagan Wickman, and I'm with Fairway Independent Mortgage. And the three most common questions I get when someone's looking to get a mortgage are, how do I improve my credit score? How do I get rid of these collections on my credit report? And what do I do about these student loans that I have? So, Larry, how are we going to help educate these people on what they need to do?
Well, Reagan, I'm Larry Ackerman at West USA Realty, and this is what we're going to do for you. We're going to hold a credit repair class, and it's going to be in Chandler on February 15th at the Sunset Branch Library from 10:30 a.m. until 12 noon. And we're really looking forward to our special guest speaker, credit guru, Charles Parker.
Well, thank you, Larry, for the intro. My name is Charles Parker. I'm the founder of AZ Credit Medix. Basically, what we're going to learn is, wait, get it right here. Okay, good. We're going to learn a little bit of how to pay your bills, how to deal with the collection companies, and also how to take care of your student loans. So if you are in this situation and want to learn, come to our workshop. And also remember, seating is limited. So Larry, how do they basically reserve a spot?
Well, Charles, all they need to do is text me at 480-710-0778 or email me at talk2la@hotmail.com, and I will make sure that they have a seat reserved for them.
We'll see you there.
That's right.